Welcome back to Impact Math with Miss Taylor. Alrighty, we have solved equations. Okay, and this looks like a crazy equation, right? We got fractions, we got whole numbers, we got distributing. But what we're going to do first is we're going to clear our fractions. And how we're going to clear our fractions is first we need to find the least common multiple. Okay, so our least common multiple of our fractions. So we're looking at the numbers 3 and 6. Well, the least common multiple of 3 and 6 is going to be 6. And this number is what we're going to multiply to everything. So we're going to say times 6 times 6 times 6 and times 6. Okay, so now 6 times 5 is 30 plus, well, 6 divided by 3. What's happening here? 6 divided by 3 can go to a 2. So we're left with 2 times 9y minus 12. Okay, equals 2. 6 divided by 6, well, that cancels, and it's going to leave us with 5y plus 18. Okay, plus 6 divided by 6. Well, that's just going to leave us with 1y. Now, if you want to put the 1 there, there's no problem putting it, but we always know there's a 1 in front of every variable. Okay, so now that we got rid of our fractions, we can breathe a little bit. The next step distribute the numbers. That's what we're going to focus on next. So we're going to go here times here and here times here. And then we're going to do this times this and this times this. I'm not using my 30, so I'm going to drop that down. Plus 2 times 9 gets me 18y. 2 times a negative 12 gets me a negative 24 equals 5 times y is 5y and 5 times 18. Ooh, let's go over here and do it real quick. 18 times 5. Well, that's going to be 40. Carry the 4. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 90. So we get plus 90 plus y. Okay, now our next step. Step 3. Combine like terms. So here, if I'm just looking on the left side, I have a 30 minus 24. Those are like terms. So I can rewrite this as 18y, and then 30 minus 24 is going to give me 6 plus 6 equals, and now I'm looking for my like terms on my right side, and I have a 5y plus a y. Well, 5 y's plus 1y is going to give me 6 y's. And then I'm going to drop down my plus 90. Now I'm moving. This is the next step. Move all y's to the left of the equals. Okay, so that means if I want to move all, I have to move, I'm looking at this 6. Well, how do I move it? I have to do the opposite. What's opposite of positive? I'm going to minus 6y to both sides. So 18 minus 6, well, that's going to leave me 12y plus 6 equals 6 minus 6 cancels, and then we have 90. Okay. Next thing I have to do is I have to move this positive 6 to the other side. Well, I'm going to do that by minusing 6 to both sides. And I get 12y equals 84. Last step, whenever we have a number attached to a letter, they're multiplied together. To undo that multiplication, we divide by the number that's attached to the y, because we want the y by itself. So we get y equals, so 12 times what gives us 84? Is it 6? Let me see. 12 times, no, that's 72. So it'll be, is it 8? No, 7? Let's see. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 1 plus, yep. So it will be 7. And that, whew, is our beautiful step-by-step work. Alrighty, I hope that helps. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and I most definitely will catch you on the next one. Bye.